Thank you Korean customers for choosing the EA1000H6 rental LED display. This product combines innovative design with practical functions and adopts modular quick lock and corner protection design to achieve disassembly and assembly in seconds, greatly improving the construction efficiency. Its breakthrough front and rear two-way maintenance system with a detachable power box makes on-site maintenance easy and fast. It is also equipped with patented arc locks and bevel cabinet components, which can be freely combined to create avant-garde shapes such as waves and diamond cuts, perfectly adapting to high-end stage needs such as K-pop concerts and fashion shows. With 1600 nit ultra-high brightness and HDR display effects, it brings a stunning visual feast to Korean customers.